Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing 3 to 5 core topics and grabbing materials. This focuses your effort. Use color-coded sticky notes so you can see topic groups at a glance and pick sizes, small for single facts, large for steps. Once done, write one clear question or fact per note, no paragraphs, so retrieval practice is possible. Set a 25 to 30-minute timer and place notes where you'll review them. This immediate setup gets you studying now, not later. You now encode information efficiently. Write one question or cue per sticky note and put the short answer on the back or link to a notebook page. Arrange notes into a visible structure, timeline, flowchart, or concept cluster so you build connections. Spatial placement strengthens memory. Once organized, speak the cue aloud, then flip to the answer. This active recall beats passive review. Make sure to use consistent symbols and a small margin for key terms so scanning is fast. You finish by establishing a review routine. Quick review after 10 minutes, again that day, then at expanding intervals, 2 to 3 days, 1 week. Move notes you master to a done zone and rewrite or split any note you consistently miss. If you're stuck on a concept, make the sticky note smaller. Break it into one-step cues or add a concrete example, then retest. Make sure to replace faded notes and keep colors consistent. This prevents
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.